Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys the top 13 apps that take advantage of dark mode on iOS 13. That of course is available now to download for your iPhone or iPad. So let's begin. So the first app of course is Waterminder. So Waterminder is an awesome app of course that allows you to track your water intake and also reminds you if you're that type of person that needs to be reminded about that you need to drink some water throughout the day. And of course, it's just awesome because it looks fantastic, of course, in dark mode here. And I just like how it takes advantage of the system theme in iOS 13. But yeah, throughout the whole app, it just looks nice. The nice blue, the color blue, of course, stands out with the black in the background. And yeah, it's just an awesome app that I highly recommend you guys go check out. Next, we have Carrot Weather. So Carrot Weather, of course, is an awesome app that allows you, of course, to see the weather. And of course, it takes advantage of the dark mode in the app. So as you can see in the graph below, it shows you the dark mode areas. And I like it. It looks fantastic. And I just like how it matches great with the icons as well. Next, we have PCalc. So PCalc, of course, is my go-to calculator app. So it's an awesome app, of course. It's easy to use, and yeah, it's just a fantastic app if you're into doing a lot of hardcore calculations, of course, or even simple calculations as well. I use it only for simple calculations, and so yeah, it's just my go-to calculator app because it is awesome and it just looks fantastic in the dark mode theme. Next, we have Fantastical. So Fantastical, of course, is an awesome calendar app and another app here that takes advantage of dark mode. And I just like how it stands out. Everything looks nice, easy to read. And so yeah, it's just a fantastic app as well. That, like I said, takes advantage of dark mode in iOS 13. Next, we have LookUp. So LookUp is an awesome app that allows you to learn new words every single day. And so yeah, and so as you can see, it supports also another app here that supports dark mode. So as you can see, you could take quizzes, of course, and the app, of course, that is fantastic. Um, and of course, when you want to know a word or something, you could just tap on the card and then you could see the definition, of course, the meaning, where it came from this word, and other words that, sound pretty similar to this word. And of course, if you like the word, you could just like it and bookmark it if you want, but I'm not going to. But what's also awesome is that you can also, in the app, just see how the word sounds. So there we go. It's really easy, and I just like how you can quickly just tap right there to see how the word is pronounced, so you can also um, learn how to pronounce the word hurdle. So yeah, it's a fantastic app that takes, of course, advantage of the dark mode in iOS 13. Next, we have Twitter. So Twitter, of course, is my go-to social media app, of course, that I just love to use. I use it every single day, and I just like how finally Twitter's doing some awesome updates for the iPhone, where they're actually keeping up with updates, updating its app, and getting the love it needs, of course. So yeah, it's just a fantastic update, of course, that supports iOS 13 dark mode, which also surprised that Twitter actually even decided to support it like since day one. And so yeah, it's just an awesome way to use Twitter. It looks great, and I've had it since day one. The Twitter app, like in dark mode, which supports, of course, the iOS 13 system theme, and it just looks fantastic as well. And it looks fantastic on the iPhone 11, or of course on the iPhone 11 Pro or 10s and 10. So yeah, that's Twitter. Next, we have Lumi. So Lumi, of course, is a super simple app that if you're into taking pictures with your iPhone, or even not with your iPhone, with your DSLR camera or any other camera, this app is a must, of course, and that, of course, allows you to see what time is like the morning magic hour, sunrise, sunset, and then of course the evening or blue hour is what they call it. So yeah, you can see what times you have to go outside to get those perfect images that you want to get. And then you can share them on Instagram. And yeah, it looks fantastic in dark mode, and it's just another fantastic app that takes advantage of the dark mode theme. Next, we have Reader. So Reader is my go-to RSS reader. So yes, I still use an RSS feed reader. I like it because I get to choose what sites I want to read. And so yeah, I just start reading, open up the app, and just start reading the course in dark mode. And so yeah, it looks fantastic, of course, as always. It's one of my favorite apps that I like to use, of course, in iOS. And so yeah, just having it support, of course, also dark mode is a plus right there. That makes it even much more fun to use on the iPhone. Next, we have Pedometer. So Pedometer is a super simple app, of course, that allows you to track your steps with the sensors inside the iPhone or your Apple Watch. So it takes advantage, of course. Another app takes advantage of the dark mode theme. You get to, of course, change some stuff if you want. So as you can see right there, the theme area, I have it turned on, of course. So if I change it to light, of course, the theme here, it will also, the app will turn white. And then, of course, back to dark mode whenever I switch it back to dark mode. And of course, I have it to the dark icons right there to go with the dark mode theme on the iPhone. Next, we have Things. So Things 3 is my go-to app, of course, whenever I need to add some notes or reminders to things here. And so yeah, it's another fantastic app, which I'm surprised, of course. Things 2, their last app did not get a lot of love in iOS, but with Things 3, the team Culture Code, if I'm not, I'm gonna make sure that I'm, Culture Code is doing an awesome job on keeping Things 3 updated every single time, and they always are fixing bugs and always updating some new features and adding some new features as well. So yeah, it's just another fantastic app that I love to use in dark mode on the iPhone. Next, we have Pocket. So Pocket, of course, if you don't know what Pocket is a great way to save articles or other stuff when you're on Twitter or you're reading the news in Safari or in another app. This is just a great place to save it and read it for later. And of course, another app that supports dark mode, which looks fantastic, of course, in dark mode. And so yeah, it's just my go-to app whenever I need things that I want to save for later and read later whenever I have more free time. And so yeah, it's just an awesome app, of course, and it's a plus that supports dark mode here. Next, we have Marvis. So Marvis is my go-to music player on the iPhone. So it's an awesome app, of course, that looks fantastic in dark mode here. And so yeah, it's just another fantastic app that I like to use, of course. So that's how pretty much, we're not going to play a song because if I do, then I will probably be, I'll get like some type of strike or something on YouTube there. So yeah, Marvis, another app that takes advantage of dark mode right there. And next and not least, we have the 9 to 5 Mac app. So of course, that's one of my favorite Apple blogs to go to. I always read their site every day to see what's going on with Apple and to get, of course, a few maybe video ideas of what I could talk about, of course, here on the channel. And so yeah, their app, of course, since day one when I got iOS 13 updated on the phone, their app supported dark mode, the theme system from day one. So that's pretty much it for the top 13 apps that support dark mode on iOS 13 that I highly recommend you guys go check out. As always, I will have the list of the apps I just talked about in the description below, so you guys go check it out right there. And if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you guys are waiting for, but you could go and subscribe and keep up with more iOS 13 and Apple news and other stuff as well. So that's it for now, guys, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.